have the lithotomy position, and this position is similar to the dorsal recumbent position with the patient lying on the back, but the legs are flexed at a 90-degree angle at the hips, and the calf part of the legs are usually placed in stirrups. Now, why do we call it the lithotomy position? Well, let's look at lithotomy. Lith means stone, and otomy deals with an incision, cutting into a body part. So we're talking about surgery. So this position is actually a position that's used during a procedure to remove stones from the urinary system. Now, it's also used during vaginal procedures such as childbirth and vaginal exams, and then any type of surgery related to the genitourinary system. Now, with this position, there are problems just like with the dorsal recumbent. So those pressure injuries that can happen with that position can also happen with this one. Plus, whenever we have the legs in the stirrups, we have to be very careful that we're not putting pressure on those nerves in those legs. Okay, so that wraps up this video, and don't forget to check out the other videos in this series.